Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you've got a YouTube Premium Family Plan and that the Family Manager role is assigned. You open accounts. Google.com/families or the Google Families section in Settings. Once there, check the manager email and payment status so the plan can accept additions. Make sure the person you want to add is in the same country and has a valid Google account. This step prevents invitations from failing and saves time by resolving account mismatches before you send invites. Next, you send the actual invite through Google Families rather than YouTube Settings. From Families, choose Add Family Member and type the exact Google account email. Pick Member, not Manager, to avoid permission issues. Once you send it, the invitee receives an email and a link they must accept, so tell them to check promotions and spam. If they accept on mobile, they might need the Google app. Make sure they sign into the same Google account before tapping the accept link so the join completes successfully. Finally, confirm the added person has YouTube Premium by checking account purchases and memberships for the Premium badge. If it's not showing, make them sign out and sign back in, clear app cache, or reopen the invite link. These actions often resolve sync glitches. If you hit family size or country mismatch errors, remove an inactive member or correct the country in their Google account. If problems persist, contact Google support with the Family Manager's account details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.